Welcome, everybody. July 3rd, the day before America's birthday. It's going to be 248 years for the United States. Pretty cool when you think about it here. So today, we got the one of the critical numbers for the week, the ADP payroll. We kind of wondered where this was going to come in. We've had kind of some geopolitical stuff going on the front side of the week. So let's break these numbers down for you here. ADP came in at plus 150,000 jobs. The street was expecting 160, so obviously a little bit weaker than expected. There was a slight revision upward to last month of 5,000. So really, the net number was about 5,000 less than the market expected. Within that report, we saw some interesting things. Now, of all the jobs created, those 150,000, small businesses only accounted for 5,000 of those jobs. Small business, according to ADP, are companies that are 50 or fewer employees. So that means all those other jobs were created by larger companies. This is the challenge in anticipating Friday's BLS number because of the BLS's birth-death model. It's really hard to tell where they're going to go with that. Last month, there was a complete opposite from ADP small business numbers to the BLS birth-death model. The BLS massaged that number, in all honesty, to show positive net gains when really they were never there. So we're going to wait to see what comes out Friday. Now, the jobs that were created in that, the goods sector accounted for 14,000 jobs. Within that, the construction section was a positive 27,000. Manufacturing and natural resource mining was minus 13,000. So interesting numbers there. On the services sector, we saw a plus 316,000. Leisure and hospitality led the way with that with 63,000 jobs. This is definitely the opposite of what we saw within the JOLTS report yesterday, talking about a slowdown in leisure and hospitality. Also within the report, the income section, job stayers saw their wages grow by 4.9%. Now, this is 1/10 lower than the previous month. And job changers showed an increased earnings of 7.7%. Again, 1/10 less month over month than May's reading. So we're seeing slowdown within wages, slowdown within job creations. This definitely helped the market this morning. The bond market saw this cut off some of this rise that we've had Monday and Tuesday and gave us a lot back. Now, we also had the jobless claims this morning. So initial claims were 238,000. That was an increase of 4,000. Here's the big one. Continuing claims grew again by 26,000 up to 1.858 million. That's the highest since November of 21. So we're seeing people that lose their job going on long-term unemployment are having a harder and harder time finding a new job. This is our longer-term thing we've been talking about. This likely will flow through to the unemployment rate that we see on Friday within the BLS jobs report. We're really going to be paying attention to the U6 unemployment numbers, which is a little over 7% now. That is within the household survey, remember, and that actually counts all people looking for jobs, not just ones that fell off unemployment. And there's some whispers that the unemployment rate that we see Friday could creep above 4%. So let's look to see what's going to happen with that. The street is expecting between 190 and 200,000 for new jobs. That's from the headline survey on Friday. We think there might be a chance where it comes in a little bit weak, maybe 180. So let's see what happens with that. That could really help us out on mortgage rates. The other numbers that came in today were mortgage applications week over week. Purchases were down 12%, and refinances were down slightly, 2%. Now, keep in mind of the entire mortgage market, refinances now constitute 37% of all transactions. So if you're in a situation where you have some debt, credit cards, car loans, personal loans, home equity loans, Let's talk, because you might be able to save significant money on a cash flow basis. And also, we could show you how to pay that loan off faster by using the savings from a refinance, paying off higher rate debt, putting that back into the mortgage and saving you money. Give us a call. Our phones are on today. By the way, the market closes at 2:00 today. Market closes all day tomorrow, but we are on call all weekend. We always have a great history of getting buyers' offers accepted over the fourth weekend. So all of us are on call here. We're available. Give us a call to help you out. 616-293-2189. The Market Update Desk is your original singular market news source for West Michigan. Have a great day, a safe 4th, and happy birthday, America.